Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SimpliSafe app to ARM system with smart home routines step by step clearly. To begin, open the App Store on your iOS device or the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type SimpliSafe and press enter. Look for the official SimpliSafe app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its download page. If you are using an iOS device, tap the Get button. If you are on an Android device, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the SimpliSafe app. You will be prompted to either log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and tap Login. If you need to create a new account, follow the prompts to enter your information. After logging in, you will be directed to the home screen of the app. To arm your system with smart home routines, navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the option labeled Smart Home Routines or similar. Tap on this option to access your smart home configurations. Follow the instructions to customize your routines to include arming your security system. Once you've set your routines, ensure to save any changes you've made. You can always return to this menu to adjust your routines in the future. Finally, test your new routines to ensure your SimpliSafe system arms as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.